Hi friends, Sunil here. Welcome to this channel. In this session we are going to do a program in Python to print the prime numbers from a given range of numbers. Prime number, as we know, is a number which is divisible by 1 and itself only. It has no other factors. In our example we are taking the numbers from 1 to 10. Here in the program I am asking the user to input the lower limit, that is the starting number. In our case it is 1, the lower limit is 1, we are starting from 1. Then the user is asked to input the upper limit, that is the ending number. In this case the ending number is 10. That will be stored in this variable upper limit. After that I am printing the number lower limit and upper limit on the screen here. So this is the for loop for that. We are taking numbers from 1 to 10. So in between 1 to 10 there are 4 prime numbers, 2, 3, 5 and 7. 1 is neither prime nor consonant. So in this program there are 2 for loops. The first for loop for num in range lower limit to upper limit plus 1. So our range is starting from the lower limit 1 and upper limit should be 10. This range is a built-in function in Python. So upper limit, it will always take 1 less. Now we are given the upper limit as 10. Upper limit, the range function will take only up till 9. So in order to make it 10, I am adding 1 here. So our range will start from 1 to 10. Then I am checking whether num is greater than 1. If num is greater than 1, then only I am executing this for loop. That is because 1 is not a prime number, so I am skipping that 1. So it starts from 2. This for loop will start from 2. So for I in range 2 to num, our num is now 2 because we have skipped 1. It has taken the next number, that is 2. So for I in range 2 to 2 means it is starting from 2 and ending with 2. It will not enter this loop. It will, because it has already terminated, it will go to the else and print the number 2, which is a prime number. Then it will go and get the next number, that is 3. Then for I in range 2 to num value is 3. 2 to 3, it will divide 3 by 2, 3% 2. 3% 2, the remainder is not equal to 0. Then it will go for the next in the range, which is 3, but range will go only till 1 less than 2, that is 2. So normal termination has taken place, it will come to the else and print 3. Then it will go for the next number, that is 4. Then here in the if it will try dividing, it will check whether 4 divided by 2 is equal to 0. Yes, it is 0, it will break. It is not a prime number. When it is 0, it is a divisible number. It is not a prime number, so it will break and get the next number, that is 5. Then our num is 5. 5 will be 5% 2, which is not equal to 0. Then it will go for the next value of I, that is 3. Then 5% 3, that is also not equal to 0. Then it will go for next value of I, that is 5% 4, that is also not equal to 0. So the range is completed. When the range is completed, it is normal termination. In case of normal termination, it will go to else and print the number. So 5 will get printed, that is a prime number. Then it will go and get the next number, that is 6. Then num is 6 now. So 6 divided by I is 2. Yes, it is divisible. We are getting remainder as 0. So it will break and go and get the next number, that is 7. Then it will try to divide 7. Num is 7 now. 7 divided by 2, not divisible. Go for the next number, that is 7 divided, go for the next value of I, that is 7 divided by 3, that is also not possible. Then 7 divided by 4, it is not done. Then 7 divided by 5, 7 divided by 6. So the range is getting over. Once it becomes 7 divided by 6, this range will be over. So range as term, that means this normal termination has taken place. So it will print, go to this else and print the number 7. Now after that it will get the next number 8. It will enter here, num is 8. So 8 divided by, first it will start from 2. It is divisible. So it is not a prime number. It will break and go and get the next number, that is 9. Now num is 9. 9% 2 is not equal to 0. It will go for the next value of I. 9% 3 is equal to 0. 9% 9 is divisible by 3. So 9% 3 is equal to 0. It will break. It is not a prime number and go and get the next number, that is 10. Then num is 10. 10% I. 10% 2 equal to 0. It will break, go here. So that is the end of the for loop. It will, so all the prime numbers have been printed, that is 2, 3, 5 and 7. So this is how the program works. In short, in case of prime numbers, normal termination takes place, that is the range gets completed. Whenever normal termination takes place, it will come to this else and print the prime number. But when it is not a prime number, that is the number is divisible, it remainder is 0, it will break and get the next number. So that is how this logic works. So we will execute this program. This is the code. We will execute this. I will give the lower limit as 1 and upper limit I am giving 10. So 2, 3, 5 and 7 are the prime numbers for this range. So for these numbers 2, 3, 5 and 7, it is not encountering this break statement, and the iteration of this for loop for the entire range is getting completed. So it is normal termination, and it will go to the else of this for loop and print the prime number. Whereas if the number is divisible and remainder is 0, in that case, that is non-prime numbers, the break is encountered and it breaks this inner for loop. It will not go to the else, but it will go to this outer for loop and get the next number in this range. Now we will print the prime numbers for some other range. I will execute this. I will give range starting from 100, say 180. So these are the prime numbers in that range between 100 and 180. So hope you understood this program. If you like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe this channel so that I can put more videos like this. Thanks very much.